You guys, how are you guys? You are very welcome to the TLcompare channel. Today we have come to your service with a special video. In this video we have reviewed the frames of various popular mobile games and 5 mid-range flagship phones. Call of Duty Mobile is a popular game on smartphones, which has been one of the most downloaded games for several years. As you can see, 120 frames. Only Poco X6 Pro can run this game at the highest graphics limit of 120 frames. And the remarkable thing here is that Call of Duty Warzone is a new game from the Call of Duty series, which was recently released on smartphones. This game on Poco X6 Pro and S23FE can produce 60 frames because this game has just been released and is not optimal at all.
This is you and Pubg Mobile, the old game that is still in the most popular list of phones and has players all over the world. As you can see, Poco X6 Pro is better than other phones. With 60 frames, he was able to beat the rest of the competitors, and as you can see, Samsung phones are still performing poorly in the field of gaming.
FC4 is a familiar name in football. It is one of the most famous games in the world that has been released on different platforms. -1 by 6 Pro, Note 13 Pro Plus, and Samsung S23FE phones can run up to 60 frames per second, which is an acceptable statistic. Asphalt 9 is a game from Gameloft that I really feel that everyone has experienced this work at least once. It is unbelievable that this game has been optimized in such a way that it takes maximum 60 frames to all phones. Only Poco X6 Pro phone is 55 frames, which gives higher graphics to its users. Fortnite game is the optimal game of Epic Game that many users experience this effect every day. This game gives a minimum of 60 frames and a maximum of 120 frames, especially on the Poco X6 Pro phone. And the last game to review is Apex Legends, which is one of the heaviest Android games, and its experience is addictive, and this game gives a maximum of 40 frames on the phones under review. As you can see, the winner is none other than Poco by 6 Pro. This is an attractive mid-range phone with a great price of $400, which, as you have seen, runs games at the highest possible graphics with at least 40 to 60 frames and a maximum of 120 frames. As you can see, the winner is none other than Poco by 6 Pro. This is an attractive mid-range phone with a great price of $400, which, as you have seen, runs games at the highest possible graphics with at least 40 to 60 frames and a maximum of 120 frames.